So you're playing around with AI, but you're just not seeing those big business results everyone's talking about? Look, you are not alone. So many businesses are tinkering, but they're not getting the traction they want. This session? This isn't just another tech tutorial. Think of this as your personal coaching session on how to turn those AI experiments into a real, genuine strategic advantage. Okay, let's dive in. Let's just start with the big question, the real promise here. I mean, what if you could actually free up half of your team's time from all that routine stuff so they can focus on what really matters? Innovation, client relationships, real growth. This isn't some fantasy. It's what's happening for businesses that use AI strategically. And today, I'm going to show you the system to make it your reality too. All right, so here's our game plan for today. First, we're going to talk about why a structured approach is an absolute must. Then, we'll get to the good stuff, the core 3-step playbook. After that, it gets really tactical with an implementation checklist. We'll even look at some winning moves versus common fumbles so you can learn from others' mistakes. And we'll wrap it all up by building out your personal game plan. It's a packed session, so let's get right to it. Okay, first up, why do we even need a framework? I mean, anybody can open up a chat window and get an answer, right? But there is a huge, huge gap between these random acts of AI and a really structured, strategic approach. And winning? Winning happens in that gap. That's the shift we're making today. What I love about this is that it all comes down to one single word: effectively. Think about it. Access to AI tools is becoming a commodity. Pretty much everyone has it. The real competitive edge isn't about having the tool anymore. It's about knowing how to use it with purpose and precision. And that kind of discipline, it only comes from having a solid plan. Let's just be honest for a second. Unstructured experimentation, it just leads to wasted hours and brilliant ideas that, well, they just never get off the ground. And that is a super frustrating cycle. That right there is the real cost of not having a playbook. But the good news, for you, that all changes, starting right now. All right, let's get into the heart of it. This is not some complex 50-page academic theory. Nope. This is a simple, powerful 3-step playbook that I've seen at the foundation of every single successful AI project, whether it's big or small. This is really the engine room of your entire AI strategy. And here it is. It's just a logical flow. Step 1, you strategize. What problem are we actually solving here, and what does success even look like? Step 2, you implement. How are we going to build this thing and roll it out smoothly? And then step 3, and this is the one most people forget, you measure and you optimize. Did it work? And how can we make it just 10% better? It's simple, it's sequential, and it is incredibly powerful. And this is the key principle, right? These steps aren't just a to-do list. They're a living cycle. A great strategy gives your execution a clear target to aim for. And great measurement, well, that tells you if you hit it, which then feeds right back into your next strategy. It's this beautiful loop of continuous intelligent improvement. Okay, theory is down. Now let's get tactical. Enough with the what, it's time for the how. This next section is your practical, no excuses checklist for putting that playbook directly into action in your business, like tomorrow. This is where the rubber meets the road. I want you to think of this as your pre-flight checklist. Before you launch any AI project, you run through these points. You get brutally honest about where you are right now. You define exactly what success looks like, in numbers. You get your whole team on board from day one. Seriously, following this list is what separates the smooth launches from the really, really bumpy ones. Now, let's do some advanced coaching. Because knowing the playbook is one thing, but executing it when the pressure's on, that's another story. So let's look at what separates the pros, the teams getting those consistent, impressive results, from the amateurs who seem to keep stumbling over the same hurdles. What's coming up next? This is your cheat sheet. These right here are the winning moves. The pros always tie their AI experiments back to a core business goal. Always. They are obsessed with creating and measuring tangible value. They invest in their people's skills because they know that tech is pretty useless without trained people. And this is crucial, they are never so rigid that they can't pivot when the data tells them to. And of course, on the flip side, these are the fumbles I see sink projects over and over again. Take that organizational resistance point, it's huge. I worked with this one company and they tried to force a new AI writing tool on their marketing team. Total disaster. The team hated it. And why? Because nobody asked them. The fix is so simple. Involve them early. Show them how it makes their job easier, not just different. The point is to anticipate these issues and have a plan. Every single fumble has a smart, proactive fix. Okay, let's bring it all home. We've covered a ton of ground, from the high-level strategy all the way down to the on-the-ground tactics. Now it's time to boil this all down into your personal AI game plan, the key points you absolutely need to remember as you walk away from this session. So here's your game plan in a nutshell. 1. Frameworks are what turn random activity into real achievement. 2. Success is a three-part harmony of strategy, execution, and measurement. 3. Invest in your people to make it stick. And 4. Stay flexible, because this landscape is always, always changing. This is your path to sustainable innovation. So I'm going to leave you with this one final crucial question. Listening is great, but doing is what creates change. So what is the one specific, measurable action you are going to take this week to put this playbook into motion? I want you to write it down, commit to it. That right there is how you move from just using AI to truly winning with it. Now go make it happen.